Hello and welcome to Tango Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore how to build advanced figures from basic figures. And today we will look at Fallaway reverse with lady swivel and running weave from promenade position. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So today we start with Fallaway reverse, but we will end not with slip pivot but for man with the point and for swivel for lady. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, back in Fallaway, now point, then pivot to right, tap, and then back corte, which is basic figure. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us, first of all, basic Fallaway reverse with slip pivot. And quick, quick, quick and slip pivot, quick. Very good. And now let's make changes. So we start with first 3 steps of Fallaway, then man does point and lady swivel. Very good, from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3 and lady swivel on 4. Very good, and now we will continue with natural pivot and point and then back corte. So we start with Fallaway reverse and then lady swivel, then we step and pivot, point and back corte. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle, this time with teaching count. And quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at preceding figure before Fallaway. We will dance running weave from promenade position, which is originally waltz figure. So in waltz we start from promenade position, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we will change for tango, no rise and fall, and we also change timing, slow, quick, 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 quick and. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. First they will show us a running weave in waltz. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's change it to tango character. And slow, quick, 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 quick and. Very good. Let's do it from opposite angle, and this time notice head movement for lady. So we start from promenade position, head is to right, then to left, again to right, and to left. I hope you noticed how Violetta uses head weight and movement to show accents in music. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 quick and. And now let's look at very basic figure, which is progressive link. So basic version is in timing, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And quick, quick. And now we will change timing, and in second step we will dance line and quick, quick, slow. Very good, from opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow. And now let's put together our today's choreography, which consists of 3 parts. So we start with progressive link, but we change timing. So we dance progressive link, then we dance a running weave from promenade position, continue with Fallaway reverse and lady swivel, natural pivot, tap and back corte. Very good, let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.